Good morning. It is 10 a.m. Wednesday, July 6th, 2022, and we are here at the St. Boniface Hospital Foundation office at C 1026 409 Taché Avenue in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We will be drawing the early bird winners in the 2022 Tri-Hospital Dream Program. The early bird one winner will have 4 prizes to choose from. They have the choice of a 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, plus a 2022 JAYCO Flight 28-foot trailer, plus $25,000 cash, or a 2022 Leisure Travel Van Wonder 24 RTB, plus $25,000 cash, or 2 MERCEDES-BENZ, a E53 CABRIOLET, plus a GLE 450 SUV, plus $15,000 cash, or $210,000 cash. We will now select the winner in the early bird 1 prize. And the winner is Jacqueline Zickel from Seven Sisters Fall, Manitoba, with ticket number 6832. Congratulations, Jacqueline. We will now draw the $1,000 winners of the Early Bird 2 prizes. Congratulations to all the Early Bird prize winners. You will be sent out your information in the mail.